Hi all, this is a welcome back to ShareTreck. This is just a disclaimer. I believe legally I'm supposed to put this disclaimer here. This video is meant only for entertainment purpose, and please do not use any of the advice given in this video for your investments. Consult an investment advisor or a financial planner and do your own due diligence before you invest in shares. Thanks. Hey all, welcome back to ShareTreck. It's been a wonderful day. It's really nice to see Tesla soaring. Um, Based on what happened yesterday and all the shares that Elon Musk was selling, I was hoping that today would be probably an opportunity to pick up Tesla at somewhere around 950 to 930, but I was pleasantly surprised that we have added $41.34, a total of 4% increase in share price today for Tesla. So, however, I took an opportunity to, once I knew that the direction was going different, I picked up some shares at 1040 and quite happy about it. I have a few articles that I was reading which made me believe that Tesla price might drop today. One of those was this article in CNBC. Taxes aren't the only reason Elon Musk is selling Tesla stocks, because it says that he has sold his free shares also, which means that it's a fresh capital gains tax that will come on to him. So that has also happened, and I think based on the market action today that the share sales is over, and we should look forward to more increases in Tesla share prices. So as far as tomorrow is concerned, we are very close to being overbought, but with Tesla I look forward to further gains because we still have to recapture the 1200s, which were the peak. So I expect further more upward movement tomorrow, albeit with a bit of consolidation and then moving up, so that we can have all the RSI and everything back to normal levels before we can push up further. So positively a gainer tomorrow, and that's all I have for Tesla today. Now we'll talk about NIO, ticker symbol NIO. It's an EV company, and my dog was right. My dog yesterday predicted that NIO is going to go up because I wasn't able to make up my mind looking at all the indicators, and as a joke I asked my dog and he said, yeah, it's going to go up. So it went up by 10 cents. The day was very choppy. NIO has been moving sideways. It's a really good company. I think if the Chinese government overhang passes away, this share can really go up. It seems very undervalued given the fact that they have already production cars in place. They have got presence in Norway. They are in the biggest EV market in China. So we have a positive bias for this company, but we'll have to wait and see. The positive movement is pretty good. The volumes are also quite high, as we can see here. We are almost reaching the overbought levels. The OPV is also very healthy and pointing for upwards. And I'm quite optimistic that tomorrow we'll continue to see a positive move upwards, and probably we'll have a resistance somewhere around $40.92 or somewhere around $40, and we'll have to see if we are strong enough for NIO to go beyond that. Otherwise, there would be a resistance out there. So that's all I have for NIO today. The next share is car parts company, PRTS, and we were right. Yesterday we said that PRTS will drop. So it's dropped by 5 cents. It's been moving up and down, very choppy for the day, but it ended up 5 cents down. And I should have picked up somewhere around 14.48, but I was out running errands, so missed the opportunity because that was my plan. But we'll get an opportunity again. We'll have to see how PRTS goes for tomorrow. Right now it's tending closer towards overbought, and all indices are very positive. So tomorrow we should see a positive open. Whether PRTS can maintain the momentum or not, we'll have to see tomorrow based on how the VIX reacts, which is again very dynamic. And that's all I have for parts today. The next ticker symbol is Shopify. So Shopify it's a really red hot stock, and it's dangerous as well because when it does fall, it falls very rapidly. Right now, I think there is a lot of bullish factors in favor of Shopify, the impending Christmas shopping season. the inflation-related increase in volume. All those factors are in favor of Shopify, so it's always going to be buoyant, but there will be a choppy movement. As we said yesterday, there will be a choppy movement today, and we may end up either positive or sideways. So we have ended up positive $18.82, and tomorrow also all indices are pointing towards a positive outlook. The RSI is poised to move upwards. OBV also indicates a positive momentum, and hopefully the MACD will cross over the signal line tomorrow. So I hope Shopify will open positive tomorrow, and later on, again, as with other shares, it's all dependent on the VIX, how the market reacts to the perceived inflation and other stimulus in the environment. So that's about it for Shopify. Next online is CRISPR, ticker symbol CRSP. Yesterday we were expecting that CRISPR would drop because all the indices were pointing towards a drop, but we had some really good news for CRISPR, because of which I attribute this the jump today to this news. CRISPR Therapeutics and VIA said Tuesday that Health Canada has approved their clinical trials application for VCTX210, which is intended to treat type 1 diabetes. So the earlier trials were all for sickle cell anemia and some other ailments. Now they have introduced the diabetes also. So this is probably the catalyst which has led to an increase of $1.5 or 1.76% to CRISPR stock, and that's good. And tomorrow also all indices are poised to show that CRISPR is going to open positive tomorrow morning. What happens after that will again depend on how the VIX responds, the inflation fears. So that's it from me for CRISPR today.